What's going on, guys? Mcfgotmillk here. I'm sorry for the wind noise again. It is just extremely windy, but just a real quick little PSA before the actual video starts, which is what this is I did my very first oil change on a motorcycle, and I recorded myself doing it just to see what would happen, and I totally forgot that I was recording. So a lot of my reactions are a little wacky and very like a dad trying to fix his car with his son. There's a little cursing in it, like, come on, what the hell, and like a lot worse than that. But I'm gonna edit around so you guys get a nice little funny reaction video type to see how it was. Without further ado, sit back, relax, and try to at least find a little bit funny in my reactions. I fucking figures, man.
Alright, here's a video of how to change the oil on the A6.
How much is in this? Chrissy! Come help me with this, please. Now I need to enter about another one of these.
What do you add oil for?
Oil change. Again, if you take care of your vehicles, like your engines with oil, they'll run forever. It rises and it slowly sets back down. You should know this stuff, so when you're ever on the road. Alright, so, how do I get this back on? Is the question. Fuck. Hello, little guy. What the fucking hell? Oh, fuck. What the fuck? What is it getting caught on? What is it getting caught on? Like, what the fuck? Oh, fuck me. No, is it not going in? Can you go the fuck in? How do you go in? How do you go in? Wow, look at that one. That one.
This one refuses to go in. Alright, moment of truth. She worked! Boop, 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 boop.